I've built, ridden, raced, wrecked, and rebuilt everything from vintage Hondas to the first BMW R9T Scrambler in the United States. Whether it's restoring a vintage Triumph or building a 1200cc Hooligan Scout, they'll have two things in common. One, the second I get on it, I'm gonna bang the hell out of the rev limiter and send it. And two, they're all filled with MOTUL. MOTUL basically invented synthetic oil. They were the first to put ester oil in performance applications, and they're pushing the standard, just like us. MOTUL was born at the track. They were pioneers. The heart of a motorcycle is its engine. The heart of MOTUL is performance. I put 2050 Twin in both my Hooligan bikes, my Triumph and my Indian, and I ride them on the street every day, right to the track before going to the races. Hondas, Hooligans, Urals, Harleys, Beamers, everything in between. It doesn't matter which you ride. Your bike was built to be fast, tough as nails, but you can't push it to its limits without MOTUL. It doesn't get much tougher than Russia. That's why Ural recommends MOTUL Twin Line for their three-wheel fun machines, because it's legit. Look, all I'm saying is, if you're gonna change your oil, use some MOTUL. Crank it to 11, maybe you'll have a little fun. I'm Jason Paul Michaels. I demand MOTUL. You should too.